After years of complaints, stress, and roadside extortion, driver in Nigeria may finally breathe a sign of relief. The Court of Appeal has placed a firm ban on the Vehicle Inspection Office from stopping or impounding vehicles. In its ruling, the Court of Appeal upheld an earlier judgment of the Federal High Court, restraining the Directorate of the Road Traffic Services, better known as the VIO, from stopping vehicles, confiscating cars, or imposing fine on road users. For some time now, motorists have accused VIO officials of harassment, intimidation, and unlawful seizure of vehicle, which many drivers say they live in constant fear anytime they saw VIO uniform on the road. The court made it clear that only a court of competent jurisdiction has the legal authority to impose fine or punishment on motorists, not VIO official on the roadside. This legal battle began after a human rights lawyer, Masha Abubakar, approached the courts. Abubakar's vehicle was reportedly stopped and confiscated on the 12th of December 2023 without proper justification. This led to the challenge action, which has now created a powerful legal protection for drivers across the country, particularly in Abuja. One motorist told us he is happy about the court's ruling because it will reduce stress on the road. He said the judgment means VIO officer will no longer stop driver at a random or give unfair fine. According to him, this will reduce harassment and allow the rights agency to do their proper jobs.
This is a very welcome judgment. It simply means VIO officer cannot just stop people on the road anyhow or seize car and start collecting money. It will reduce stress for driver and stop some of the harassment people face every day. It also puts things in order so only the right agency do their right job. It's a very good development. It brings clarity and protect the motorists from unlawful harassment, because you can see those VIO, they will just be harassing the motorists anyhow they like, and this will stop all the unlawful harassment. And the ruling basically remind agency like the VIO to stick to their proper responsibility. This ruling will make them stick to their job. They will not be interfering with what that doesn't concern them, like all this harassment of the motorist. All this will stop. I think it's a very good development.
Another driver also shared his story with us. He said that one day while driving along Lugbe Airport Road, VIO officer suddenly stopped him. He said he was not speeding and his car papers were complete, but they still delayed him for no clear reason. He described the experience as a very stressful and said the court's ruling has brought him great relief, calling it a win for innocent motorists.
Honestly, this judgment is long overdue. I still remember a day when I was driving along Blue Road, that airport road, and some VIO officers suddenly jump out and flag me down. I wasn't speeding, my papers were complete, yet they insisted on impounding my car over something that made no sense. The whole experience wasn't the whole experience was stressful that day, embarrassing and completely unnecessarily. Seeing the court of appeal finally put a stop to this give me a real relief. Road users deserve others and safety, not harassment. This judgment is a victory for every innocent driver who has been intimidated on the road.
In its judgment, the Court of Appeal described the action of the VIO as unlawful, oppressive, and a violation of the fundamental rights of Nigerian citizens, including the rights to freedom of movement and property ownership. The court has now issued a perpetual injunction permanently restraining the VIO and its officer from stopping vehicle or seizing property. For drivers who face intimidation daily, this ruling represents hope that road enforcement will now be conducted within the law and with greater respect for citizens' rights. Many will be watching closely to see how this judgment is implemented nationwide, but the court's ruling is clear. No government agency is above the law, and the right of every motorist must be respected. This is an exclusive report from Ask Nigeria News. I am Samuel Abimbola reporting.